Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you about some Excel shortcuts and tricks. First, you need to open Microsoft Excel on your PC or laptop. Click on the cell where you want to copy the content. Press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. Then press the letter D key while holding Control. Control D fills the selected cell with the contents of the cell directly above it, effectively copying the content down one cell. After pressing Control plus D, release both the Control and D key. Make sure your dataset has column headers, as Excel will use them to identify the fields. Go to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon. In the Sort and Filter group, click on the Filter button. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus L. Click on the filter arrow in the column header of the data you want to filter. A drop-down menu will appear. In the drop-down menu, you can select specific values you want to include or exclude. Apply number or date filters based on conditions such as greater than, less than, equal to, and etc. Once you have set your criteria, click OK or Apply to filter the data based on your selection. Excel will hide rows that don't meet the specified criteria, displaying only the rows that match your filter setting. Some Excel keyboard shortcuts that are frequently used are Ctrl-C for copy, Ctrl-V for paste, Ctrl-Z for undo, Ctrl-S for save, Ctrl-F to find, and Ctrl-F to navigate to the beginning of a worksheet. You can use Alt plus equal sign for auto sum, Ctrl-Shift-Enter to enter an array formula, and Ctrl-Shift-L to toggle filters on or off. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.